English we speak.
From BBC Learning English.
Hello and welcome to the English We Speak. I'm Feifei.
And I'm Neil.
Neil, why are you still here? I thought you were driving to Manchester and Rob was going to present the programme.
Feifei, have you looked outside the window?
No. Should I?
It's a pea super out there.
You want me to look out of the window at pea soup? Is there a big bowl of it or something?
No, there's no soup. It's an informal way of describing thick fog. It's so thick you can hardly see through it, and that's why I can't drive to Manchester.
Oh, that's a shame. But why a pea super?
I guess because, like pea soup, it's thick and a dark, cloudy colour.
I'd rather eat pea soup than be in it. I think we had better hear some examples of this strange phrase.
It looks like our flight is delayed until this pea super clears.
It's a real pea super today. When I was driving here, I couldn't even see the car in front of me.
There's no way I'm cycling in this pea super. It's far too dangerous.
This is the English We Speak from BBC Learning English, and I'm with Neil, who can't travel because of a pea super. That's very thick fog that's hard to see through.
Sometimes you can refer to it as smog if it's fog mixed with air pollution.
Yes, that's horrible stuff to be in. Well, Neil, if you can't go to Manchester, what are we going to do?
Well, let's have lunch together.
Yes, but what are we going to eat?
Pea soup, of course. It's that kind of day.
Oh, look, the fog is clearing. Maybe you can drive after all.
I'll get my coat. Bye.
See ya.
The English we speak.
From bbclearningenglish.com.